हफ्ते या 2 हफ्ते का ही जोश था. This question is very interesting and I'm a sandwich. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gagan Preet and I hope you guys doing awesome. So as you guys read by today's title, it's Get to Know Me tag. Yes, you heard it right. Couple of days ago I had posted on my Instagram story the Get to Know Me tag, and I'll be answering all the questions in the next video. So here is it. So I'm gonna answer all your questions and you guys gotta know me about my likes, dislikes, and what I'm passionate about, where do I live, and etc, etc. And also guys, I'm really very sorry I cannot answer all the questions because there are too many questions. So I selected the few common ones. So here they are, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so the first question is, how many siblings do you have? I have 2 siblings. One is younger brother and other one is older sister, and I'm a sandwich. Yeah. Alright, so next one is, where do you live? I live in Mumbai. Yes, I'm a Mumbaiker. Next one is, which is your favorite color? There are 2, black and rose gold. This question is very interesting. Why don't you like to work out? Joke. Actually, I don't like to work out. So when all this lockdown and all got started, I was like very optimistic that I have to work out and all, I have to get into shape, etc, etc. But वो सिर्फ 1 हफ्ते या 2 हफ्ते का ही जोश था, and then I got back to normal, like no workout and just eating, sleeping and all. But then I think it's been 3 to 4 days that I've started working out after a month. So yeah, so now I'm working out. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 9th of October, but unfortunately I cannot throw any party this time, so खो न जाएंगे. Any sport do you like? Yes, I'm a basketball player, like not a player, but then yeah, I've been to the state level of basketball, and that's the only sport I play. I don't play cricket or something else. So yeah, my favorite sport is basketball. What is the meaning of Gagan Preet? Okay, so basically Gagan means sky and Preet means love. So it's like sky lover. But I'm not a sky lover. I am I am a sky lover because of my friend Mehnaz. She loves sky, like love. उठते बराबर वो sky को देखेगी, सोने के टाइम भी वो sky को देखेगी, वो कैसा दिख रहा है. So she's a big time sky lover, and because of her मुझे अभी ऐसा हो गया, like I always look at the sky and the sunset. As you guys saw in my previous video, I just keep looking at the sunset and the sky and all. So yeah, because of her, I started liking skies. What's your zodiac sign? I'm a Libra, and to all the Librians out there, wow, this question is really nice. Who's Sarah and Ashna to you? So they are my V-Rays. So basically we guys met like 2 years ago, like in college. Our friendship started, and yeah, since then we are way too close, and we call ourselves V-Rays. I miss them so much. Trust me, when this corona shit is gonna go, I am definitely first going meeting them because I miss them a lot. If you guys are watching this, I miss you guys, okay? So next question is, which floor do you live in? I have seen in your previous videos. By the way, love your channel. Thank you so much. I live in 32nd floor. Yes, it's too high, I know, and the view from my house is just absolutely amazing. As you guys know, you have seen in my previous videos. So yeah, I live in 32nd floor. And how do you deal with haters? So see, after coming on social media platform and being a social media influencer or YouTuber, whatever, you will definitely come across a lot of haters. ठीक है, हमेशा तुम्हें likes ही नहीं मिलेंगे, कहीं कहीं तुम्हें dislikes भी मिलेंगे, and you just have to ignore them and be patient, because if you think about them, you yourself will get demotivated, because if you react, that makes no sense, and also that becomes a very negative atmosphere. So it's better you ignore them, you just do your work and success and throw it on their faces. That's it. Which is your favorite drink and favorite cuisine? Okay, so my favorite cuisine is Italian and Indian, and my favorite drink is coffee. I am a big time coffee lover, like at the max. Next one is, fave drugstore makeup product you would never mind to use for ages. I don't usually buy, I don't buy makeup from the drugstore. So yeah, your skincare routine. So I don't have any specific skincare routine, but yeah, I hate my skin right now because I have a lot of breakouts. And as soon as this lockdown shit is done, I am definitely going to my dermatologist for my treatments. So yeah, but my skincare routine is, as you have seen in my previous video, I have only 2 masks. For one is for glow and one is for the bacteria removal and deep cleansing, and those are the only 2 ones I use, that too once or twice a week. So if you guys haven't seen my previous video, go watch it. What's your dream destination? Okay, my Maldives. Yeah, Maldives is my dream destination because I love beaches. So every beach places is my dream destination. But yeah, if you give it a try, it's Maldives. One fashion item you swear by. It might sound weird, but my lip balm. I can totally rely on my lip balm. It's very simple. You have to go somewhere out, like even down one lip balm and then you're done. It's here only. It's by MAC. I'm currently using this MAC lip balm. It's very nice. It smells good. So yeah, one thing you can't live without. I don't have one thing. I have two, three things. I have, like, I can't live without my family, friends, my phone, and coffee. If I have these 4 things, I'm good. I don't need anything else. One thing you're scared of. Not one thing actually. Again, I'm scared of everything. मुझे हर तरीके का phobia है. A fly, some insect or animal. Sometimes even a mosquito. Yeah, if like a mosquito is flying around me like zzz with its voice, dude, I freak out. Like, I know it sounds something stupid, but yes. One thing you hate about yourself. That I'm a coffee addict. Yeah, I hate that thing, but कुछ कर भी सकती हूँ because अब मेरे को addiction हो चुका है coffee का. I can't live without coffee, not even a single day. First, I used to drink 6 mugs of coffee a day. Damn! Yes, I know. I am a stupid person, but yeah, I was a damn coffee addict. So अभी कैसे करके I am drinking like 1 or 2 cups a day. So I'm proud of myself. Favorite movie? जाने तो या जाने ना. That's my favorite movie. I know it's very old, but yeah, whenever I'm bored or something, I open my Prime and then watch that movie. So, how do you like to be comforted when you're sad or upset? If I'm sad or upset, I don't think about that particular thing because I know that's definitely going to affect me, and I'll just keep on overthinking about it. So कुछ होने वाला नहीं है उससे, तो I just stop thinking about that thing and move ahead because that's so obvious कि अगर तुम उसी के बारे में और उसका overthink करोगे और उसका disadvantage सोचोगे तो वो definitely तुम्हें कहीं ना कहीं effect करेगा. So it's just you stop thinking about it and move ahead. You took arts? No, I took commerce. No questions at all. Very best for your YouTube and your future. Doing great. Aww, thank you. What's your guilty pleasure? This might sound funny, but my guilty pleasure is I have my cheat meals every day. Yeah, like I used to have this diet, not diet, but yeah, like I used to follow for some reason, and then उसमें मेरा कुछ था ही नहीं. I used to not follow the diets, and I used to eat all French fries and burger and pizzas like every single day. So yeah, and till date I do the same thing. So guys, it's finally come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If yes, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. And I hope you guys got to know me and will get to know me more later. So yeah, keep loving and keep supporting. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!